Are you curious about cryptocurrency? Let's explore why you should start trading crypto today. First up, accessibility. Crypto markets are open 24/7. You can trade anytime, day or night. All you need is a smartphone and internet connection. Buy and sell from anywhere in the world. Next, let's talk returns. Cryptocurrencies have shown impressive growth. Many investors have seen their investments multiply. With the right strategy, your small investment could lead to significant profits. Third, consider diversification. Adding crypto to your portfolio helps spread risk. Unlike stocks and bonds, crypto can behave differently. This can stabilize your investment strategy. Fourth, there's innovation. Blockchain technology is changing everything. It's not just about currency, it's about revolutionary advancements across industries. Investing in crypto supports this groundbreaking tech. Finally, the community. The crypto space is filled with passionate people. They share knowledge and support newcomers. From online forums to social groups, you'll find plenty of help. So, those are the top 5 reasons to dive into crypto now. With easy access, potential returns, diversification, innovative technology, and community support, there's no better time to start. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights.